Next week, all of this will be lit up for a new event coming to this city, Light Up Syracuse. It's specifically set up to dazzle and welcome visitors who are planning to come for the NCAA East Regionals.
So many visitors in town that maybe haven't been here before, and usually if they can travel to visit for a basketball game, they might be wealthy donors for a university or business owners, and it's a really great opportunity for our city to make an impression.
Businesses, restaurants, and downtown offices will be turning on their lights during the nights of next weekend to light up the heart of Syracuse. Brian Burns, who is one of the faces behind the event, says Syracuse is one of the lowest cost of living cities in the entire country, and he says he wants visitors to know that great opportunities are right here.
If we could get just one of our visitors to decide to start a business here in Syracuse, utilizing some of the great programs that are going on, including like Startup New York and a lot of the other programs that are going on in upstate New York to encourage business. We can get one person to decide to start a business here, that would be amazing.
And what else is amazing to Brian are the people. He says that's his favorite part of Syracuse.
You can talk to everyone in this city. You can get to know people. You can find your own favorite place and teach someone about it. It's just big enough that you can have your own spot and small enough that you can learn so much about it really quickly.
And now it will be bright enough to hopefully leave an impression and encourage visitors to come back and stay. Reporting in Syracuse, I'm Samantha German.